In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the print format to horizontal on Microsoft Word. If your document is currently set to the standard portrait orientation, but you want it to print horizontally across the page, you can easily change the page orientation in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful when working with documents that contain wide tables, charts, images, or other content that needs more horizontal space. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure the document you want to change is displayed on your screen. As you can see, this document is currently in the standard portrait position, where the page is taller than it is wide. To change the document to a horizontal layout, go up to the ribbon at the top of Word and click on the Page Layout tab. Depending on your version of Microsoft Word, this tab may also be labeled Layout. Once you're in the Page Layout or Layout tab, look toward the left side of the ribbon. You should see an option called Orientation. Click on it to open the available page orientation settings. Here you'll see two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the standard vertical page format, while Landscape changes the page to a horizontal position. Select Landscape, and Word will immediately adjust the document so that the pages are wider than they are tall. There's also another way to get the same result when you're preparing your document for printing. Go to the Print tab in Microsoft Word. In the Print settings, you'll see a drop-down option that currently shows Portrait Orientation. Click on this option, and you'll see the choice to switch to Landscape Orientation. After selecting Landscape Orientation, Word will show you a preview of how the document will appear when printed. This preview is useful because it lets you check the page layout before sending the document to the printer. You can make sure your text, tables, images, and other content fit the horizontal page properly. So, whether you change the setting from the Page Layout or Layout tab, or directly from the Print settings, both methods allow you to switch between portrait and landscape orientation in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,